Hello everyone. So with the ISB PGP deadline coming up soon, there are a few questions that were coming up with respect to the application submission. So we have created a very quick application walkthrough. The portal is new. However, a lot of things on the portal are very self-explanatory. I don't think a lot of walkthrough is required for many sections. So we'll just go through the sections one by one and tell you some places where you might face any questions and some responses. The first section is where you add your personal details, then you go ahead with your education details. The instructions for the sections are mentioned in each of these the individual areas where you have to fill in the details. Add your awards and recognition, add your professional experience. When you're adding your professional experience, this time there is no space to write about what you have done or any roles and responsibilities, etc. So all of this goes into the resume. So there is a resume format which is there in the upload document section. You can download that and prepare your resume to submit along with your application. Now coming to the next sections, you have the other courses section. Then you add your essays, you keep on saving them and initiate your recommendation letter. So request for recommendation also goes in. Now comes the test scores. So people who are submitting the GMAT Focus Edition scores, you will not have a PDF of your score report as such, but you can take a screenshot of the Focus Edition score from the GMAT portal and your name should be visible on that. If you look at the left panel on the GMAT Focus Edition score sheet that you have from your login, you can just drop down that. Your name should be visible along with your score sheet. Create a PDF of that screenshot and you can upload that with the test score section. Language proficiency is another FAQ that we were facing. It is only required for applicants who have not completed their undergraduate studies in English. So not required for the Indian applicants as such. Come to the upload document section. Here you have to add your resume and your proof of income. Complete the declaration part. You can choose your campus of preference and then come to the submit section. So when you are coming to the fine print, go through everything in detail. There are a few questions that you have to answer which are pretty standard. Add all the responses and then come to the submit section. So when you are completing the submit section, at that point in time you will have, this is for the final step. So at that point in time you will have at the bottom of the page two buttons of previous and save and next. When you click save and next, this takes you back to the main page where you will find a message saying that your application is 95% complete. So that means that the application that you have filled in is complete. You can always cross check, make edits and then go ahead with the rest of the submission process. The payment link will not appear just yet. Now coming to the next section, how do you submit? If you look at the top bar of your main screen where you have the application login, there are three buttons. One is start edit application, preview application and the submit application button. When you feel that you are ready to submit your application, click on this submit application button. It will be in gray. It's not in a blue color. So go to that final check. It will take you to a final check where you can see that everything is in order and you finally want to submit. So they're giving you 2 3 options to check before you are going to the payment link as such. So from this particular screen you will have the option of going through the preview. This is the kind of screen which will come up where you again have to submit. Click the submit button. This will take you to the preview of your application. Now over here, check the complete application, scroll down towards the right end of that particular page. There will be a button of close and submit again. Now, when you click on submit, again that same screen comes, the screen which says that this is the final check, ensure that you've completed every mandatory step. So please cross check your application again and again before you come to this step. Now, this screen will again come. Now, when you click to this but on this particular submit button, it will take you to the final submission and the fee payment option. This is the whole process of submitting your application, which takes you through re-evaluating your application again and again till you come to the final payment and the submission. In case there are any other questions that you might have, you feel free to ask them in the comment section. All the best for your ISB PGP application process for the 2025 intake.